We just received this 2023 Flagstaff E-Pro 20FBS. Has updated graphics for this year, as you can see. Looks pretty sharp, a little bit more modern. We still have the off-road tires, 3-inch lift. Dual propane tanks, power tongue jack. Good size awning, outdoor speakers, pass-through storage, solid step stairs. This does have the key-alike system, which means you have one key for the entire camper. Storage, locking it up. It does come with a 200-watt solar panel, which is standard for E-Pros. New to this year, you'll see there's a 2-inch hitch on the back. That's going to be standard. It's nice if you want to put a bike rack on or additional cargo. Ladder to get to the roof. Does have a backup camera prep, which is easy to install. As we make our way in, you'll see there's new flooring for this year. Nice bed. You have storage underneath the bed. End tables have been updated. Still have an outlet. USB charging ports. Storage up here, which is nice. Got the wardrobes on each side. It's a good sized sofa. You'll see you have drink holders on each end, which is nice. Storage above. Got an armrest. More drink holders. The kitchen comes with a good size 32-inch TV, built-in speakers. We do have a new control panel here for this year. It's large stainless steel sink. We got an oven, 3-burner top range, storage above the vent, and of course a bottle opener. Magic Chef microwave that's going to be located right above the fridge. This is a 12-volt fridge. Take a look at the bathroom. You know, for a smaller camper, I actually designed this bathroom to make you feel that you're not so crammed. It's pretty spacious. A medicine cabinet. Nice shower. This does have the shower miser. The skylight, which is nice. Getting light in here. Got an extra large sink with additional storage and mirrors. And this is really great for couples. You can have his side and her side. There's the storage under the bed. Yeah, guys, this is the 2023 E-Pro. Let us know what you think in the comments below.